Are you making yourself available? Right? When you're there for somebody, you love that person. And not just physically being there for somebody, but praying for them. So, how do you know Jesus Christ loves you? Joshua 1:9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. We're out there by ourselves with all our brokenness. We're out there, kind of revealing ourselves to God. And it leaves us vulnerable, right? When you hear that word vulnerable, you're just like, oh. In the desert, there is no mountains, but there's like, those are mountains, right? So, I hope not, those are weird mountains. Okay, so, in the desert, there's no mountains, there's no trees, there's no bushes. Those aren't bushes, those are little... It's not a tree, bro.
What are you eating?
Oh, a really big donut.
Damn.
Alright, let's go.
How do you even carry it?
I don't know.
You guys get lost?
Yeah, what happened?
Lock the doors and turn the lights.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot. You have to open the door to get in.
Where are we, Eli?
Tower Mark.
The biggest one ever.
Wow, hella phony. Look at this.
Cozy buddy.
It's not even snuggy.
Cozy buddy. Oh, it just looks big.
Yeah.
It's a mirror. They're smart. Dang it. I thought it was bigger than this. Oh, wait, don't I have to go to the bathroom?
There.
Hello. Hey, no beer till you're 30. Fat. Oh, oh god. Oh. Huh?
Have you had these?
No.
They're really good. You should try them. You guys ready?
You should try them.
You guys ready?
The red vines.
Hey, pretend it's a rap video.
Going down the aisle, we going down the aisle, going down the aisle.